How to fix download failed in Zenless Zone 0. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the application on your device. After that, what you can do is just go to the settings of your device and then scroll down and tap on apps. Then tap on manage apps. After that, you can just scroll down to find the application. Tap on it, then you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and you'll be able to delete or clear your cache as well as your data. Then what you can do is tap on app permission and make sure that you have toggled on the required permissions over here, which are the files and media and your camera as well. After that, tap on your power button and then tap on reboot and restart your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.